I guess I've convinced myself that I'm worth it for once. Like I have this whole different mindset that, you're doing good, and, my daughter sees it, and my family sees it, and even my mom and whatnot. And she knew for years, and even my daughter, that I wasn't happy. And they see that I'm eating a lot healthier. I'm doing what I need to do, and I just take the time. I've changed everything. I'm the type of person that I put everybody ahead of my own self, which I've done that for years, since my kids were born, and even before then. I've always made sure everybody else is okay besides me. And I tried different things and whatnot, and nothing seemed to work, or I couldn't. One of the girls actually that I knew from an old workplace, I saw that she was linked in your stuff. And I asked her a bunch of questions. She said, yeah, it's great and whatnot. So I said, hey, give it a try. And I was doing the program and whatnot. And I'm like, okay, this isn't so bad. I can do this. It'll be the best thing that you do. You'll think it's hard, and there's going to be challenges just like anything else. There's ups and there's downs. But you have the support of the coaches, which are amazing, and you have the support of the Fit Queen Elite Academy that help support you. They almost become a part of your family or your friends. It's just totally awesome. Like, I'm so grateful. You really change people and whatnot, and you help them grow and help their mindset and make people believe, if they don't think they're worth it, that they are worth it. It's true. It's made a huge difference. So I want to thank you. Even some of the people that are on there, like, just to see their progress and how they've overcome and whatnot, it makes you like, if they can do it, I can do it. It's so much better than what you think that you could have done on your own. I still have a bit more to go, but you know what I've overcome and what I've achieved, I am proud of myself. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you and Ryan and Maddie and whatnot for pushing us and giving us the hard love and the hard talks. Because sometimes you just need that extra little push to help you get through things, and you guys definitely do that 100%. I am a fit queen.